Prime Minister Modi has just now tweeted and spoken about the devastation caused on account of cyclone Amphan that we have witnessed so far. In fact, he has quoted, and I quote, "My thoughts are with the people of Odisha as the state bravely battles the effects of cyclone Amphan. Authorities are working on the ground to ensure all possible assistance to those affected. I pray that the situation normalizes at the earliest. Have been seeing visuals from West Bengal on the devastation caused by cyclone Amphan. In this challenging hour, the entire nation stands in solidarity with West Bengal, praying for the well-being of the people of the state," he stated. Efforts are on to ensure that normalcy returns in the entire area. Let's take a look at this official reaction coming in from the NDRF DG, and later this report filed by my colleague Suryagini.
तो साइक्लोन अम्फन का इम्पैक्ट हुआ है। जो प्रेडिक्टेड पाथ था, प्रेडिक्टेड रास्ता था, ट्रैजेक्टरी थी, उसी प्रेडिक्शन के हिसाब से ही हुआ है। इसलिए आईएमडी जो मौसम विभाग है भारत सरकार का, वो बहुत बधाई का पात्र है, क्योंकि एग्जैक्टली एज पर द प्रेडिक्टेड ट्रैक हुआ और उसी स्पीड से हुआ और उसी जगह पे हुआ जहां पर उन्होंने कहा था, उसी समय हुआ। तो उसके हिसाब से ही जो नुकसान हुआ है वो भी उसी के अनुरूप हुआ है। और जैसा कि स्वाभाविक है, जिस राज्य में ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट हुआ है वो लैंडफॉल वाला राज्य है, वो है वेस्ट बंगाल, और वही इलाका है जिसमें लैंडफॉल हुआ है। लैंडफॉल में बता दूं कि हुआ है साउथ 24 परगना और ईस्ट मिदनापुर, अर्थात दीघा, सागर आइलैंड, काकद्वीप के आसपास। नेचुरल है कि वहां पर जो कच्चे मकान हैं कुछ ध्वस्त हुए हैं।
The cyclone has passed, but the destruction that it has done is in front of us. Or even on Central Avenue in central Kolkata, we can see how the situation has evolved. Police posts have been uprooted, leave alone trees. Waterlogging is still present in one of the busiest streets, one of the busiest roads of Kolkata. We can still see how impactful this particular cyclone was. Waterlogging still present. It was so heavy rain, and major lampposts, light posts, even police outstations have been uprooted. Leave alone that, even something like a hoarding has been destroyed, and this, all of its courtesy has gone to this massive cyclone that's hit us just a couple of hours back. Although it has passed to Bangladesh, the impact is very visible right now. The Kolkata Municipal Corporation people are trying their best to get done with this waterlogging, to remove the waterlogging as fast as possible. 12 people have lost their lives in this particular storm that had impacted us last evening. The cyclone Amphan has passed last night over the city of Kolkata, but what it's left behind is this that is lying in front of me. Massive level of destruction, something that the city has not faced in the recent history. Trees uprooted, lampposts uprooted, a lot of houses have been destroyed as well, courtesy this massive cyclone. Although it was not a super cyclone but an ECSC, or an extremely severe cyclonic storm, as Kolkata lies in southern part of the state and lies in the Gangetic Delta, destruction was something that was only inevitable. Although the state was prepared for its best, but when it comes to such kind of a natural calamity, no preparation can match up to the destruction that has happened. Almost 12 people have lost their lives in this destruction, in this cyclone, and many have been left homeless.
Let's go across to our political editor Aishwarya Kapoor, who's also joining us over the phone line. So Aishwarya, the Prime Minister has just now tweeted on the devastation caused by cyclone Amphan, and he has stated that his thoughts are with the people of Odisha as the state is bravely battling the effects of the cyclone. Take us through the details and how badly has the entire region been affected. All right, we'll shortly go back to Aishwarya, but the Prime Minister has himself tweeted on the devastation caused by the cyclone. The Prime Minister has tweeted, and I quote, that my thoughts are with the people of Odisha as the state bravely battles the effects of Cyclone Ampan. Authorities are working round the clock on the ground to ensure all possible assistance to those affected. I pray that the situation normalizes at the earliest. Let's go back to my colleague Aishwarya, who's also joining us on the phone line. So Aishwarya, Prime Minister Modi has himself tweeted on the devastation caused by Cyclone Ampan.
Well, absolutely, Riza, because keeping in mind that the situation has really gone bad, he says that he has basically seen the visuals and he is very, very minutely monitoring the situation. He, alongside with the Home Minister, both have had a meeting as well. The Prime Minister has chaired a review meeting in this regard, keeping in mind that this was a code red. It was a super cyclone, and the kind of devastation basically it has created in two states of West Bengal and then Odisha. We've seen the condition of the West Bengal airport as well. So the situation is critical, and the Prime Minister wants to make it clear that the NDRF teams are working in the cyclone-affected parts, and top officials of the PMO and then the MHA are keeping a very, very close tab. We've seen the Home Minister speaking to the Chief Minister in this regard, and if the intervention would be required by the Prime Minister, that would also be done. So very clearly that the top echelons of the Government of India are in touch with not only the Chief Ministers but also at the district level, so that care and then relief can be provided as and when required. Alongside NDRF, alongside all the other central forces, if any extra requirement is there, the MHA and then the Home Minister himself has made it apparently clear, that the Government of India will not hesitate, and every help in every aspect will be provided to both these states, Richa.
Right. All right. Thank you so much, Aishwarya, for getting us our update. We'll keep coming back to you for more details.